Hi everyone, I have got a new LokLik cutting machine that I'm going to share with you today. I've never had a cutting machine before, so I'm not even sure how to use them. This is what it looks like inside. I already put my my little cutter thing, and that one's a pen holder in there already. And it also comes with a 12 by 12 cutting mat, as you can see. And it comes with then what I've put in, and there's the little cutting tools, which I've already put the red one in. And it also comes with a pen, and you've got a sample paper to try, what vinyl to use, and the instruction book. So the first thing to do is cut it all together, which I have done following the instructions. Done all that, and then you need to download the app so you can use the graphic designer online, which I'm going to do in a minute. And then we'll try some sample pages out. So this is the LokLik graphic designer app on my laptop. And there's a 12 by 12 thing. You can change the size of it and everything. You can change all sorts. So I'm going to make a quick design, and then I'm going to print a sample page out to see what it comes out like. So let me just try and make a quick design first, and I'll show you what design I've made. Okay, so I've got this up, and then I'm going to just make a little quick logo of my name. So I'm going to go up here to text, and then I think we drag it down. Yeah, that's it. And then I'm going to change that to my name. I just want to make it bigger. I'm not even sure what I'm doing, so just bear with me. Let me see how it's changed the font. Alright, we'll go for, oh dear, that's what we'll go for. Try that. We'll go for that. And then I think because we're printing it on vinyl, we'll need to make it flip it. And I think we put it up here. Like that. Go on. I think we're not connected to the device yet. Wait a second. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? Yeah, no device connected, it says, but I've not turned it on, so I'll turn it on. Then obviously the brand is LokLik we want. The material is, oh, let me think what it's called. It will be basic heat, no, it's not heat transfer. Matte self-adhesive vinyl, is it that it? I think it'll be that. We'll try it anyway. I'll just leave that as it is because I have no idea. I need to flip it somehow. Is that it? You have flipped the images on the canvas. You can cut it directly. Canvas mirror, flip that. So I want it flipped. So hopefully that should have flipped it. Now we want to cut it. Get no device selected. That'd help if I select my device. See if I can find it by Bluetooth. Okay. Go on cut. Okay, this is a sample vinyl we've got with the cutting board. So I'm going to peel this off the cutting board. It's hard to do with one hand. And we're going to put the paper, line it up here. I'm going to pause while I line it up. Okay, I've managed to line that up. It was a bit of a struggle because it is very, very sticky, this board, which is good actually. And now we're going to put it in. And then I think I've pressed the load button already, so hopefully we should start it and it should cut. I have no idea if this is going to work, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's go down here. It's cutting so far, hopefully. It's very quiet, it's not very loud, is it? And on here it's telling you how long it's got left, 20 seconds. Right, I have took it out of the machine, and instead of printing on this side what I expected it to, it did print on this side, and you can see it has printed. So I'm going to pull this off. Let's see, it's not cut all the way through, this one hasn't. But then I just realised it's on here, isn't it? Let me just try and peel that off and I'll have a look. So I've got my 12 by 12 cutting mat, and we're going to put the sample vinyl that come with it, and we put it on with the image facing down, which I made a mistake last time and put it the other way around. So I'll just pause while I put it on the mat. Right, so I have got my vinyl onto the mat. I'm going to just load it there. Then I'm going to go onto this and select cutting. Load, and then it will go in. Or you can actually press that button there to load it. Okay. Connect device. I've gone for the matte permanent adhesive. I'm not quite sure what it is. If it is that, I've got the LokLik, and then we're going to try that and see what happens anyway. And then I'm going to go and cut. I've loaded it already, so I'm going to just press the start button, and it should start cutting. Okay, that is done, so we're now going to go unload it. So press this button and then take it over here, and hopefully I've done it right this time. Peel this off. Can't even see. I'll pause it again while I have a look. I don't know if you can see that, but it has actually worked. There's my A. And it's not all attached though. It's like the A is not attached to the H, and obviously there's a gap between the N for Natasha. And it is very fiddly, so I'll probably make it a little bit bigger next time. I'll probably use a different font. I forgot to play around with it. I've dropped the A on the floor somewhere. But yeah, this is heat. This is right for heat vinyl, so then you can put it on in my heat thing. Right, I'm going to try some print and cut. In this library, you've actually got loads of free images. There's 1,200,000. So I'm going to look for something I want to print out. I'll go for this one. That's there, so I'll put it there. I'm not sure how we layer it. I cannot remember how to do this. Bring it to the front. One of these, but I can't remember which one it is. We'll just try and print it and see what happens, shall we? We'll just go for it. Okay. That's all of it. Do I want all of it printed like that? Yes, I think so. We'll go for that and we'll see what happens. We'll go for the simulation page. As you know, I can't say it. Okay, so I want to get some. I print this out first. I think I print this out first. So I'll print this out. Shall I move that bit further down actually? Print that, then we'll see what happens. Okay, hoping that there's no preview coming up. We'll print that. Okay, that is printed out. I will stick it on my mat. Right, I've stuck it on my mat. Right, let's go and cut it and see if it cuts. Who knows what's going to happen. Well, why have I got these on here still? Wait a minute, I'll just delete these. Right, this one, right. Load it. Loaded. And print it. It is cutting, but who knows what it's going to cut. Let's just hope it cuts it out this time. So I've done this about 100 times now with no success because I don't know what I'm doing. But as this is an image from the actual design thing, I'm hoping that this works better. Okay. It is cutting, but who knows what it's going to cut. Let's just hope it cuts it out this time. So I've done this about 100 times now with no success because I don't know what I'm doing. But as this is an image from the actual design thing, I'm hoping that this works better. Okay, well that cut, but I don't know if you can see on there, like it didn't cut perfectly, it's like out of line, which is not good, but I do know that there's a collaboration thing, so I'm going to try the collaboration, see if it works any better.